In this video, I'll show you how to find scheduled and draft posts on Facebook step by step. If you manage a Facebook page, you can easily view all your unpublished and scheduled posts from one place. First, open the Facebook app and sign into the account that manages your Facebook page. Switch to your page, then open the Professional Dashboard or Meta Business Suite, depending on your app version. Next, tap Content or Planner. Here, you'll see different tabs such as Published, Scheduled, and Drafts. Tap the Scheduled tab to view posts that are set to be published automatically at a future date and time. To view unpublished posts, tap the Drafts tab. Select any draft to continue editing, publish it immediately, schedule it for later, or delete it if you no longer need it. You can also open a scheduled post to edit the caption, change the publishing date and time, or cancel the schedule before it goes live. If you don't see these options, make sure you're signed in to the correct page and using the latest version of the Facebook app or Meta Business Suite. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.